I'm in Fort William. It's the official end of the West Highland Way. I walked here this morning in the rain, and it's I don't know. There's little bits of blue sky, but there's still some ugly clouds over there. It's probably going to rain on and off. I managed to return my boots, and I'm very happy about that. And I bought new boots with Vibram soles. The soles on these are super stiff and I love them, so I'm really happy about that. The uppers are just basic leather, so they're going to require some breaking in for sure, but they'll break in and I don't think anything weird's going to happen with them. I'm going to buy a whole bunch of Vaseline so that process isn't quite so painful. But I can still return them as long as I don't wear them outdoors. So tonight I'll probably just be walking circles in the laundry room at the campground just to make sure I'm happy with them. I also got some insoles and a free 5-liter dry bag that I don't need, but it was free. So yeah, and the boots were half price. They were only 80 pounds, so I'm super happy about that. Just fingers crossed they're going to be good. So I'm making this Glen Nevis campground my home base for a few days while I work on wearing in my new boots. So far so good. I've got lots of Vaseline on, so hopefully I don't get any blisters. I did see a lot of people heading up to Glen Nevis today, but I don't think I'm in the mood for that. Not right now. This campground is amazing. It's really huge. It goes on forever in all directions. And it isn't too busy, which is really nice, at least not in the tenting area. Because it's sunny today, I'm just sort of taking a day to dry everything out. I want to move my tent over onto a dry patch of grass after the sun has finished drying it. And my backpack smells kind of bad, so I'm trying to get some sun on it. This campground has a ton of these shower houses and several like coin-operated laundry facilities, sculleries to wash dishes, and I've got amazing Wi-Fi. Like you could see the router, I guess. I've got amazing Wi-Fi right here. And the midges aren't that bad. I mean, they're kind of nasty in the evening a bit, but it's been pretty good during the day, so I'm happy about that. I'm sure it gets much worse at times. They have a store just over there. They have a restaurant and another little kiosk that sells breakfast and dinner. And they've got device charging lockers, which I can probably show you those in a video. Yeah, so I'd like to, I'm trying to dry everything out. I'd like to move my tent over. There's also some waterfalls close to here, and I really haven't explored Fort William, so there's still a few things to do. So I might spend a couple more nights. These are the device lockers. They're inside. There's like a couple USB ports and outlets, so you can put things in there, and then you just enter a 4-digit code and lock it up, and then your stuff is safe. I think it's gonna be a nice sunny afternoon, and I found this stuff in the shop that doesn't have much of an odor, and you don't have to rinse it, so I've been spraying down all the pads on my backpack, and hopefully the sun will get it dry really quick, but I think it might be working. It doesn't smell as bad anymore. It has indeed been another hot and sunny afternoon, and I've taken advantage of it. I've got everything cleaned and dried, and which feels good. Even my backpack seems to be disinfecting and drying really nicely. And I feel a little lazy watching people come down from Ben Nevis, but I have been on my feet for 5 hours in my new boots, and it's going pretty good. There's a little bit of pressure on my baby toes because I just have a genetic flaw that I have to live with, but otherwise it's been pretty good. I think it'll be a few days, but I think they're going to break in nicely. Yeah, so haven't done much other than just the essentials, but it's been a really good day.